The thing is, why didn't they just ring the Taliban and say, look, if you stop shooting at us, we'll give you a 1997 Shogun we've got parts of it.
We ought to make it clear, actually, that under this scrappage scheme, the cars that were taken off the road under the scheme when they were part exchange have to be scrapped. They can't be sold.
No,
they have to be destroyed.
All these cars have to be scrapped.
If you think about it, all the energy that went into making these cars in the first place, now all the energy that's going to go into crushing them, and then all the energy that goes into making new cars for people who wouldn't otherwise have bought new cars if it wasn't for this scheme.
It's all true. The BBC got some stick this week for allegedly over-promoting Peter Mandelson's new book, so let's redress that balance. Don't buy it.
Nice. That's balanced it up a treat. That's even. It's fair. It's balanced. The BBC, it's very good.
Now, there's a new Nissan Micra out, and that is the end of the news. Now, a while back, our producers said to us that we ought to make a film explaining why classic British sports cars like these were so awful and terrible and horrible in every way that people went out and bought hot hatchbacks instead.
Yeah, but we didn't agree. We said, no, British sports cars weren't horrible. And then there was a bit of a row.
Huge row. Massive.
And what we then said to the producers was, now look, Top Gear is shown all over the world now. And even if British cars were terrible...
Which they're not.
No,
and
even if British sports cars were terrible, we're not going to rush around the country saying, oh, everything's all horrible here, are we?
No, exactly, you see, because Crocodile Dundee never went into the outback and said, oh, it's terrible, it's too hot and it's full of spiders.
No, I know. Jack Bauer doesn't run around America saying, don't come here, it's all full of terrorists, does he? The producers, though, were most insistent. So they gave each of us £5,000 and told us to buy a classic British sports car with it. And then we were told to report with our cars to the Lotus factory in Norfolk, where, as usual, we would be given some challenges.